Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have... I didn't cook. What do we have?
Jerk cornichon, you know.
Ooh.
Long time I ain't jerk one of these birds, you know. But yeah, I jerk it up on first lady. I told first lady that's what I make, and with some steamed veg. We got potatoes, broccoli, carrots, and you also know we have to have a pear on the side, aka avocado. So you know.
Yes, I am ready to dig in, and then we just have some butter sauce that we had in the freezer that we heated up so we can dip it. Ooh.
And then I got my special jerk chicken sauce, aka any sauce, aka I'm about to say snake sauce.
Snake?
Steak sauce.
Snake, you know?
Family.
I want yam steak, Tom.
I'm gonna eat up steak. Family, if you want to see the snake, comment down. But here we go. Season up. Hold up.
Hey.
Before we start, like. Alright? And don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment.
Drop the fork.
Okay? How was it?
Good.
Good for real? Okay. Broccoli, first I said I gotta eat my greens, you know? So, I'm gonna make sure I eat my greens today. Good?
So good.
You buy a piece of chicken already? Family, potatoes. No, it's not seafood. Family, look at the chicken skin out, man. Look at freaky chicken, no family. Alright, so don't break apart yet. I didn't give them none yet. Hold on. Here. Take a bird's eye view. What they call it? Bird eye? I'll look first, lady.
Good.
Yes, look at that, yeah. Oh, I'm doing that. I'm dipping. Look at that. Take a bite. Wow. Look at that.
I'm not chatting to you right now. Family, I'm not even talking. I mean, I talk much. I'm hungry man. I'm hungry belly.
Perfection. Wow. We're gonna eat today. Well, this is the family. Make them talk to us today. Family member, y'all talk to us today. You know what I'm saying? Back-to-back videos. Come on now. Give us a round of applause. Wow. Yes. I did it on my grill. Thanks for asking. Nice, that's true.
It's real good.
Season 2?
Yes. Eat a little bit. You can't chat right now, family.
First day hungry. First day just came from work.
No volleyball game. Volleyball is over.
Appreciate all those nice comments. That's why we rock with y'all. Appreciate y'all. I know y'all would understand. Okay?
I knew they would.
I know y'all would. Real family members right here.
Yeah.
Real family members stick around.
Tom,
What?
hey. These potatoes are cooked so good.
Really?
So well.
Wow. Look at this big bird. I don't know the style.
It just melted in my mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Broccoli cook good. Carrot cook good.
You put your foot in the chicken. Chicken cook good.
You got that thing? I love the breast. This little bird had a lot of meat on it, you know?
A lot of meat. Oh, shoot.
Look at that.
Honey, you haven't made curry Cornish hen in a very long time, for real.
No, I mean,
Curry.
long
I mean
time.
jerk Cornish hen.
Long time. Wow.
Matter of fact, we don't even eat jerk on here that much. You notice
we
that?
Don't, we don't. When we get it, we gotta get them eating. Turn up these things. Look at that.
I can taste the seasoning, man.
Bussin'.
How you guys been?
They say you eating, right? Relax. Beautiful. I'm chilling. I'm being quiet. You did taste the sauce?
That sauce? With my chicken, Mario. Let me taste it for the chicken. I know it's gonna be good. That's why you give me?
If you want to taste it, Mario.
We told that you wasting his sauce, no? I never waste your sauce. Wait a minute. You did something different to that sauce?
I use all of it.
I'm sorry. I was still eating.
I didn't use all of it.
Oh. This is a healthy meal, you know?
That's good.
Beside the potato, but it's not too much potato.
Leave that pizza for later. Give me a piece of your chicken.
What?
My family, I'm leaving my pizza for later. Because we're not going to eat up all that, so it make no sense me start on mine. I'm going to help her with hers. What's that chicken, Mario? Nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying eat it off. We just did it for presentation. You know how it is. We know that. So that piece is going to save. And I got a good word for y'all today, too.
So good. So good. So good.
You piece of that bird, my youth.
It can have the breast.
I'm going to put this piece on.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Family, I know. So, family, it's right. Makes sense, right? Because I know she's not going to eat up the whole thing. So, why eat mines? And I could save it. No?
You gonna eat it later?
Remember, where am I going to do with it? Look on it?
I mean, like, you want to eat that now?
No, later. I want a piece of yours. For later. Appreciate every one of y'all that showed us love yesterday, man.
That's right.
Yes.
I cannot believe.
The year is over.
No, shit. That too, to bumper. For real, before you know it's Thanksgiving.
What y'all got planned?
Woo! I love the holidays. I'm so excited.
Y'all got family coming in town or what? Y'all going out of town? What y'all doing?
My uncle's coming in town. My Uncle Tony. That's my second dad. He's coming in town.
From where?
Coming from Jamaica, but he lives in Canada. He's visiting Jamaica right now. But I'm so excited because as soon as Halloween is over, I'm getting my decorating on, dog. I'm not gonna wait till the last minute like I did last year. Well, last year we had no choice because we was renovating the house. But this year, So I'm gonna make sure that my decorations are up.
Bussin'.
Very much bussin'.
Eat my greens. First they say I eat my greens, I eat my greens. Yeah, they were good?
You did a great job. I'm never gonna lie.
You should that mayo.
It was really good.
And then mayo, I've made the garnishing mayo.
When I walked into this house and saw the food.
All the season is.
Now Richie always cooks good. His food always tastes good. Always. But it's the best feeling as a person who goes to work and my husband goes to work and vice versa, right? When I'm home, I make sure his food is ready. When he's home, I make sure my food is ready. It's the best thing in the world to walk through the door and you had a long day at work and dinner's already ready. You don't have to figure out what to eat, what you're gonna cook. It's already ready. Ladies, if you can agree with me, let me know in the comment section.
And I said, well, we're so creative. Even better.
If you don't have that, okay, maybe that's if you're okay with that, that's fine. Let it float your boat. I ain't judging. I don't judge nobody. But me, I'm blessed to have a husband that cooks.
Not a time.
And cooks well too.
What do you think, family? I think I do an awesome job of cooking. Let me know. You've been rock with us, so let me know. Y'all seen a lot.
Potato is so cooked.
Nice, my lord. You know, said about 5 minutes, put it on before I come.
Yeah.
I'll pick you up
Yeah.
and just turn on the fire and let it sit on it and just steam that.
Oh, but you know what's so funny? This is how I got the potato to be for the seafood boil. Just like that.
Nice, man. I told you she wasn't gonna eat off her chicken. Why do you think I took peas? See?
Things are looking good.
See? That's why I took pea. I knew she wasn't.
Look at that. Damn,
That
yo.
bird, son.
That bird looks good.
What y'all eating on it? Now you want to go try your chicken? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Don't have a video of you making jerk chicken. But
I think it was 2022.
yeah, 2022. But
Oh, God, it was about a year ago.
a year ago. But now Richie has a grill, so he can make it on the grill. Cause you showed him how to make it in the oven.
Easiest way.
A messy man.
The grill. You're right way. You need more napkin? The grill is the right way, family. The full of my youth.
But now,
I know when I hear, it's over. When I tell you that, when I hear that, I don't make firstly go no more.
I can eat a little bit more, and that's it. I'm not gonna overstuff myself. Cause
You did right. You did good.
yeah, it's the worst feeling.
You put all the potatoes. You did good.
I eat a lot of potatoes. Usually I don't, but there's no rice,
You did real good.
which I like that. I'm gonna chew this bone off camera because uno too judgy.
Wow, family. This is a good one. Look at that.
I'm so glad. Hungry. I was starving.
Family, and it's so seasoned. Jerk Richie in the building. Okay. Eat this last potato and my thing. For later, dog. I know she wasn't. So I said, you know what? I do offer it. But they don't call like no one cut. I want to like one. I get one cut for me, man. Jerk, man, jerk it. You can have it. You can have it. Might just be my mood. You always give me your food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Up in there, what? I'm going to talk to you squat, Tom. That last one there. You see it look? Right? I don't want to look. I'm going to put it on. Alright, family. When the first day to go like that means it's that time. So, I'm not going to push my first day. Okay? So, what I got for y'all beautiful people today. Again, we appreciate all of y'all for rocking with us. So, what we got? We got wow.
Whew.
That was awesome. Alright, family. First lady.
Thank you, Lord.
Ready? Make sure you say the last thing there. I was just saying no at the ending of my youth. Okay, switch up my youth. Alright, family. Friends, viewers, family members. Alright. God has a purpose for your pain, as a reason for your struggle, and a gift for your faithfulness. Don't ever give up. Say it again, my youth. I say it again, my youth. God has a purpose for your pain, a reason for your struggles, and a gift for your faithfulness. Don't ever give up.
Don't do it.
Don't ever give up. Try. I always say, if you don't try, you will never know if you will fail. And if you can't fail if you try, simple. So you got
because you tried, right?
Because you tried. So again, as we said, we got a lot of stuff going on, so we're trying. Right? We're trying. Just like what I gave you now, so at the end, we see what happened. If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
And you guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there who are getting paid, but we are not. We appreciate you taking the time to come on down and watching us. We will see you next time for another what? Another mukbang.
Damn! I sure love you sing. Hey! No more. Catch us in December where we show you a little birthday vlog. Alright, Tom, end the show, my youth.
I'm done.
You don't tell people them bye?
I did. Bye.
Bye. Alright, we out.